Hi. Let's learn about the Cayman Islands dollar, KYD. The Cayman Islands dollar is the official currency for the Cayman Islands and is used in denominations of $1, $5, $10, $25, $50, and $100, as well as coins. It replaced the Jamaican dollar in 1972 and has a fixed exchange rate pegged to the US dollar at KYD. $1 equals 1.20 US dollars. The currency abbreviation for the Cayman Islands dollar is KYD. It consists of banknotes and coins, with denominations including 1, 5, 10, 25 cents, and $1, $5, $10, $25. The currency's symbols are dollar and CI dollar, and the Cayman Islands Monetary Authority manages the issuing of all currency within the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands are a group of island territories belonging to the United Kingdom, located in the Caribbean Sea. The islands are known for their tourist attractions, international financial services, and picturesque beaches. The islands have a rich history and their economy relies heavily on tourism. The Cayman Islands dollar is pegged to the US dollar at a fixed exchange rate of KYD. $1 equals 1.20 US dollars. For example, if you were to convert $1,000 to KYD, the exchange would result in 833.60 in Cayman dollars. This exchange rate is important to understand when dealing with transactions involving the Cayman Islands dollar. Here are two key takeaways. 1. The Cayman Islands dollar, KYD, replaced the Jamaican dollar in 1972 and has a fixed exchange rate pegged to the US dollar at KYD. $1 equals 1.20 US dollars. 2. The currency relies on a fixed exchange rate pegged to the US dollar at KYD. $1 equals 1.20 US dollars. KYD has two recognized symbols that are used locally, dollar and CI dollar. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.